part of our course, and I'm today discussing one more issue. Last time we discussed about the child labor, worst form of the child labor, and last time we discussed about the
रातचो तुमच्या सुनी में ते कंप्यूटर नको पियो भाई लैपटॉप घर सब खुल जाता है मैं सब आके क्या कुछ बात होता हमेशा नहीं सकते याद है
worst form of the child labor. Worst form of child labor. Okay, we discussed about the worst form of the child labor, and we discussed about the menstrual hygiene, and we also discussed about the child and children care, Vishakha guidelines. And now surrogacy we completed, abortion in India, domestic violence in India, women's in STEM, sexual harassment at workplace, and this all we discussed before. Now next topic is juvenile justice. Next topic is juvenile justice. So next topic is juvenile justice. Juvenile justice care and protection Protection of Children Act 2015. So this act is Juvenile Justice Act. Okay, Juvenile Justice Act. So this is about the define a child not completed 18 year of the age. 18 year of the age. Child not completed the 18 year of the age. Introduction and provision of the age group of age group of 16 to 18 age, and that was heinous offense if he is in a heinous offense. So juvenile justice board is there, and that is justice board juvenile justice board is there. It is for the determining whether try such a child as a adult or minor children. Okay, so this is the juvenile justice. A child is final once a civil court issued the adoption order. So civil court will issue the adoption order. Adoption order. It is issued by the civil court, and there will be no appeal for any order made by the child welfare committee. But district magistrate will be the issue the adoption order. So DM will issuing the adoption order. Adoption order will be issued by the DM, and 30 days will be there for the before the divisional magistrate. So appeal will be in the 30 days, and it is in between the divisional magistrate. Okay, appeal between the divisional magistrate in 30 days, and it will define the serious offense, and the maximum imprisonment will be the 7 years. 7 year will be the maximum imprisonment, that will be the 7 year. And now there is the imprisonment for the 7 year, that is the serious offense, and that is petty offenses are there. So imprisonment up to the 3 years for the maximum punishment. So it is offense punishable with the imprisonment more than 7 year will be cognizable, and it will be the cognizable offense. Okay, if there is a cognizable offense and non bailable, it will be the non bailable. तो अगर आपने कोई भी हीनियस क्राइम किया है चिल्ड्रन ने, ओके, सो दैट विल बी द नॉन बेलेबल, कोई बेल नहीं होगी, नॉन बेलेबल, and it will be the cognizable offense. Okay, cognizable offense, and that will be the trial will be in the children court, and trial will be in the children court. तो नॉन अवेलेबल है, ध्यान रखना है, और कॉग्निजिबल है, एंड लेस देन 7 year का इसमें क्या दिया जाएगा, पनिशमेंट दिया जाएगा. शेल बी ट्राइड द मजिस्ट्रेट फॉर फर्स्ट क्लास. तो इसमें कौन होंगे, फर्स्ट क्लास का कौन होगा, मजिस्ट्रेट होगा. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द चाइल्ड related issues. child related issues. Next is child trafficking in India. So trafficking is very serious about the UN Office of the Drug and UN Office of the Drug and Crime. UN Office of the Drug and Crime. Okay. So this office approved the 10 points. 10 points. 10 points, and that is for the implementation of the child trafficking. Prevention of child and trafficking, prevention of the child trafficking. Okay, so there is a child trafficking and this is a domestic labor. So trafficking कैसे होगी? Either he is doing the domestic labor. Okay, either he is doing the forced labor. Okay, either he is illegal activity, he is doing illegal activities. Okay, so these all are trafficked in the 2021. There's a labor is also there. There's a begging is also and sexual exploitation. Okay, these kinds of things are there. And the immoral trafficking act the immoral trafficking act of 1976 and bonded labor act of 1994, and transplantation of the human organ and transplantation plantation of human organ 1994. Protection of the children from sexual offences, POXO Act. There is a POXO Act that was in 2012. Okay, so that is also protect the children from the offences of sexual assault, harassment, and the pornography. Okay, so these all are the act which is related to the child labor. So POXO Act, which is in 2012, and there is a UN Office Drugs and Crime which is working for the 10-point call for the child trafficking in India. एंड ट्रैफिक्ड एवरी डे इंडिया में लेबर है, जैसे बेगिंग सेक्सुअल एक्सप्लोइटेशन होता है. तो इमोरल ट्रैफिकिंग एक्ट वाज इन 1956 एंड द बॉन्डेड लेबर एक्ट दैट वाज 1976. सो इमोरल ट्रैफिकिंग एक्ट दैट वाज इन 1956 एंड द बॉन्डेड लेबर इट वाज इन 1976. अब नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास एज ऑफ कंसेंट. एज ऑफ कंसेंट व्हाट इट इज? सो एज ऑफ कंसेंट, तो यूएन जो लो कमीशन है, so there is a 22 low commission and 22 low commission, and this report is 283 report. 283 report is 22 low commission, and that was age of consent not reduced 18 to 16 year. It should be 18 year and it should not reduced to 16 years, not reduced to 16 year. Okay, so age of consent define the age which one is considered the legally competent to consent of sexual activity. It is for the sexual activities. Okay, it is for the sexual activities. Protect the adolescent from sexual offenses. So it is to protect the abuse of the sexual offenses okay, of the sexual offenses. And there is a POXO Act is there, POXO Act, and that is the 2012, and age is the 18 year. Okay, and section 375 and section 375 of Indian Penal Code of the Penal Code, section 375 Penal Code, which is amended the criminal law amendment, sexual intercourse to 18. So this is exception of man having an intercourse with his wife who is not under the 15 year of the age. So independent thoughts and the Union of India. So independent thoughts and Union of India. So that is exception of the IPC. Bharatiya Nyay Samhita is also age of consent should be 18 years. So Bharatiya Nyay Samhita, and this provided that age of consent should be 18 years. And the section 63 of the act retain the marital rape exception. जो marital rape है इसको इसमें हटा दिया गया, पहली बात, ठीक है। सेकंड व्हाट वी डिड, like consider the legally competent to consent for sexual activity, that is 18 year of the age, okay। एंड फ्रॉम द कंसिक्वेंसेज ऑफ अर्लियर सेक्सुअल अगर एक्टिविटीज होती है तो प्रोटेक्ट करना है किसको, अडोलेसेंट को। एंड पोक्सो एक्ट इज 2012 फिक्स द एज ऑफ बीइंग कैटेगराइज्ड चाइल्ड एज 18 ईयर। सो चाइल्ड इज एज ए पोक्सो एक्ट में इसको बताया गया है कि इट इज 18 ईयर ऑफ द एज। एंड सेक्शन 375 ऑफ इंडियन पीनल कोड है, आईपीसी का है 375 ऑफ द एक्ट। दिस इज द अमेंडेड बाय द क्रिमिनल लॉ अमेंडमेंट एक्ट, okay। And the exception for the man having intercourse with his wife who is not under the age of the 15, independent thoughts in case given the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, and that was the marriage woman under the definition of the rape। So अगर 15 year की age है, so that will be under the definition of the rape। But after 18 year of the age, there is the age of the consent, and if there is a with consent anything, this is means that is not a crime। Now next is about the vulnerable section, about the vulnerable section, about the vulnerable section में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जजमेंट दिया है LGBTQIA plus rights, okay, these rights। So there is a Supriya versus Supriya Chakravarti, and it is Supriyo versus Supriyo Chakravarti, Supriya Chakravarti case refused to accord legal recognition to marriage बिटवीन द सेम पर्सन। अगर कोई सेम सेक्स के साथ मैरिज होता है तो दैट इज नॉट लीगली रिकॉग्नाइज, ओके। सो दिस इज सुप्रिया एंड सुप्रिया केस। एंड राइट टू ट्रांसजेंडर पर्सन टू मैरी इज नो फंडामेंटल एंड अनइक्वलेबल राइट टू मैरी इन इंडिया। सो देखो, राइट टू ट्रांसजेंडर मैरिज जो है, ट्रांसजेंडर की जो मैरिज है, दैट इज एक्चुअली नो फंडामेंटल, इसमें कुछ भी फंडामेंटल नहीं है, दैट इज नॉट फंडामेंटल एंड दैट इज अनइक्विवोकली राइट, इट इज unequivocal right, and that is transgender person is heterosexual, this is a hetero and a sexual relationship, this is a heterosexual relationships, okay। right to enter the civil union for the queer people, अब कोई queer है, if someone is queer, so right to enter into the civil court, so cannot prescribe a choice of civil union, but legal recognition created for same sex couple, so civil union is legal recognition is given, but the jurisdiction where they are not legally allowed to marry, but they are not legally allowed to मैरी, सो मैरिज के राइट इनको नहीं दिए गए थे, ठीक है। नाउ इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ द स्पेशल मैरिज एक्ट है, स्पेशल मैरिज एक्ट, okay, special marriage act। So this act is the court declined to the invalidate or interpret the gender neutral manner, and cascading effect is also there, and the adoption right for the non heterosexual couple, so upheld the restriction, वो adopt भी नहीं कर सकते हैं। So कारा is also there is a restriction to adopt from the queer people, so they are not allowed to adopt any children also, okay। So that is a disastrous and anomalous outcome, okay। So now LGBTQ rights across the world, 130 countries have decriminalized the homosexuality, okay। So 130 countries है जिन्होंने इसको decriminalize कर लिया है, it is decriminalized, it is a decriminalized right, okay। And Netherlands was the first country to legalize the same sex marriage, और Netherlands है, and it is legalized the same sex marriage in 2001, and more than 30 countries around the world have legalized the same sex marriage। So NALSA in 2014 recognizing the non-binary gender identity, and Navtej Singh Johar, NALSA and the Navtej Singh Johar, that is also decriminalizing the section 377, section 377 को क्या कर दिया गया है, this is the decriminalize, and that is two cases, one is NALSA, second is Navtej Singh Johar case, and one is Suprio and the Suprio case, which is actually not allowed to the marry for the same-sex marriages, and one more thing is that is Navdesh Singh Johar case. Okay, now what is the transgender right? What is the transgender rights? What are the transgender rights? So see, transgender is a Niti Aayog. सो नीति आयोग एंड नीति आयोग ने क्या बताया है कि बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस इन द सोशल सेक्शन इज प्रयत्न प्रयत्न प्रोजेक्ट देयर इज ए प्रयत्न प्रोजेक्ट प्रयत्न project. Okay, so prayatna project is there, and this prayatna project is working for the livelihood and the training for the trans people. It is for the training for the ट्रांस पीपल को क्या प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा ट्रेनिंग एंड दैट इज द प्रयत्न पोर्टल इट एम टू द बेनिफिशियरी टू अटेन बेसिक क्वालिटी लाइक लाइफ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप स्किल्स सो दे विल वी आर गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड लाइफ and entrepreneurship to the trans people. प्रधानमंत्री कौशल विकास योजना द कौशल विकास योजना प्रधानमंत्री कौशल विकास योजना and Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, that is implementing the National Skill Development Center, National Skill Development and Center, and Transgender Person Protection Act. So Trans Protection Act, Trans Protection and Act, that was 2019. Okay, and now there was a trans man and trans woman is also there. So transgender person protection right, that is 2019. So now we are going to prohibit the discrimination against the transgender. Certificate of identity is also provided. So certificate of identity is also provided to them, and grievance redressal portal and grievance redressal portal. Okay, grievance redressal certification of the identity, grievance redressal, and the educational institution is also to education for the sports and activity. National Council for Trans Person, that is formulating the policies and the program for the policies and the programs. Okay, policies and the program. So there is one more thing, that is a smile project. So smile is for the support for marginalized livelihood enterprises. It is support for marginalized support for the marginalized, and that is national portal for the trans person, that is the social justice ministry of social justice and entrepreneurship and empowerment. And there is a garima grah garima grah and the smile portal is for the umbrella scheme for the transgender, that is a smile. So one is a smile and one is a prayatna portal, smile portal, and national portal for trans person, and garima grah is also there. So this garima grah is for the trans people. Okay, so this is all about the children and the vulnerable section of the society. So I discussed about the Juvenile Justice Act and vulnerable and transgender. Juvenile Justice Act, I discussed about the Juvenile Justice Act and the trans people and their rights Now next topic will be Supreme Court judgment about the LGBT is completed. Now next topic will be the tribal. Next topics will be on the tribal people.